Hello people. So in this video I'm going to cover what are the features that Odoo is giving as a default in Sales app. So here you can see there are a lot of different apps available in Odoo, but in this particular video I'm going to just focus on an app called Sales. So here you can see this is the app. Here I can type sales to open that particular app, or what I can do is I can simply click on the app as well. This is how the dashboard will look like, or you can consider this as an opening screen. So on the opening screen, one filter is already added that is called my quotation. What basically that filter means is right now I have logged in from Michelle admin. So whatever quotations that Mr. Michelle admin has created, by default those will be available here. So if I remove that, all the quotations that has been created in Odoo will be available. It is because I am having the admin access, but that can be managed from access right too. Anyways, not going into that technical detail. If you want to create a quotation into Odoo, it's very easy. You can simply create that by clicking on a new button here. So here you can see a new button is there. I just need to select one contact. If you are new to Odoo and you don't know how to create a new contact, it's very easy. And okay, let me just cover that as well into this video. I've already covered all those steps into my other videos as well. But anyways, let us simply create a new contact. So I am just creating a new contact called Teddy Ho. And here system is giving me two options. Do I want to create a new contact, or if I want to create and edit the same contact right now? So I'll just simply create a contact as of now. And here you can see system has already created a contact. Now to create a quotation, we have to add a product here. So here you can see these are all my products. Basically there are a lot more products. You can see a lot of products are there. But now what happens is if I want to add, okay, let's simply add one product here. If I want to add another product, I have to add a product just like this, one by one. So I feel there should be some more effective or some quick way of doing this, right? Because if you want to create a quotation for say 50 items, you won't be clicking on add a product and then select a product. Basically I won't do that. So for that, Odoo is already having an option to make those things quick as possible. So there is an option called catalog. Once you click on that, you can see all the products that are available into Odoo and those are sellable are available in front of you. So you don't have to search for the products. Yes, if you are having a lot of products, you can search those as well. You can filter by, you can group by, those things are also available. But basically I feel this is the most convenient view for a user to add the products. So and also we have an option to filter via categories as well. If I just want to sell cloth, I can do that. If I just want to sell drinks, I can do that as well. Expenses, food, if you want to filter out, basically if you want to filter out by categories, that option is already available. Now let me click on all here. I want to add this and this, but for customized cabinet, okay, not this one. For LED lamp I need 10 units, so I can click 10 times here just like this, or what I can do is I can simply manually enter that. Easy, right? Once you are done with the product selection, just simply click on back to quote, and here you can see system has automatically added all those products into your quotation. Easy peasy. If you want to change the unit, you can change the unit as well. Unit I mean is quantity. So I have changed my mind and I want to add 10 of these, so I can simply click on 10. If I want to change the unit price, I can change the unit price as well. So all these options are available. You can do it for all the products. Here you can see the discount option is there. If you want to remove the discount, just simply click on remove and discount will be removed. And here you'll be able to find the base price. On that the text will be added. So this is my text amount, this is my tax amount, and this is my total. Once it is done, you can print it, you can send it via email as well. So if you want to send this, you have to add an email, which I haven't added yet. So what I will do is I'll change my customer, which might be having email ID. Let me just click on send. Yes, okay, email ID is already added. Good. Here you can see Odoo has by default added one subject line along with the price. This is totally configurable. If you want to add anything, you can add. If you want to change anything, if you want to edit it, you can do that as well. And also Odoo 19 is coming with AI. So if you want AI to help you to write an email, to write a code, or to draft an email, you can take help of the AI as well. And also system has also Odoo has automatically added one PDF quotation. Here you can see PDF quotation is there. Let me just quickly click on send. So you will be able to check the quotation as well. This is how the quotation will look like. You can add your company's logo here, company details will be added. This is the customer details, this is the quotation number, expiration date, salesperson, all the required information is available here. You can even add the terms and condition as well. Here you can see TNC are there. And the same has been sent via email too. So you can see one email is sent. Now if the customer is reverting on the email saying, hey, I want to, like, I'm not happy with the price that you have quoted, just give me a good price. So what you can do is you can simply change the price. You can simply change the price here, or maybe if a client has made some changes into the quantity, you can do that as well. Once it is done, you can again send it. So this is my another code, and you can just simply add it. So this is revision 2, send. So you can see, hello, I have sent revision 2. Just like that, you can send another quote as well. Once client is happy with the price, once client is happy with the quantities, and he want you to proceed, what you can do is you can simply click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, a delivery is generated. So delivery is nothing but an outward shipment, means you have to deliver all the goods to customer place, right? So in that case, you are going to use the delivery one. Also, in certain businesses, what happens is, sale with the sales order, customer PO needs to be attached, right? So in that case, how we can do that in Odoo? So for that, here we have an option here. I think you can see a U clip here, right? Once you click on that U clip, a pop-up will open. So in that pop-up, you can select the customer PO that customer has shared with you, or also if customer is sharing the same sharing the same on email, you can get the same on email as well. So it will be fetched here. If not, then you can attach it manually by using this uclip. So in that way, customer PO can also be added against the sales order. And after that, you can click on confirm. Once you confirm the sales order, a delivery is generated, and based on that delivery, you can process your shipments. And here you'll be able to find a button called create invoice. If you want to create an invoice and send with the delivery, you can do that. But certain times or certain businesses are following this particular scenario, that is, once the delivery is done, after that the invoice will be raised. So if you are following that, you don't need to worry. We have an option for invoicing policy. So if your product's invoicing policy is set to delivered quantity, until and unless you are delivering the products, you won't be able to create the invoice. But your question will be, hey, then how we are going to collect the payment in case if we want to get the advance? So in that case, we have something called pro forma invoice. that you have to enable from the settings. So where is my pro forma invoice? Here it is. Let me save that. Again, coming back to my quotation. So here you can see I have already confirmed this one. That's why I have an option for the sales or create invoice. Let me just duplicate that for you. Now you can see I haven't confirmed this yet. It is currently in my quotation. Now if I want to send a pro forma invoice to collect the advance payments, I can do that. Here you can see pro forma invoice is there. Once you click on that, a pro forma invoice will be sent with the quotation. So basis on this one, you can collect the payments. So this option is also there into Odoo. Now it totally depends on you. How do you want to use this? If you want to use pro forma invoice, it is there. If you want to create an invoice, tax invoice, you can do that as well. Followed by this, we have a product master here. Here you can see this is my product master. If I open any of the product, we have a product name, then we have what is the type of product. Is it a good, is it a service, or it is a combo product? Basically this is used for FMCG or point of sale. If you are using point of sale, at that time this is used. And invoicing policy, which I was just discussing about. So that this is delivered quantity or ordered quantity. Then if you want to track the inventory, you can track it, what's the on hand quantity and sales price, cost price, all those relevant information is already added here. And then we have attribute and variants. If you want to use attribute and variants, you can use that. This is mostly used in such business scenarios which are having multiple variants. For example, t-shirts business, they have multiple colors, they have multiple size. Shoes, for the shoes as well, they have multiple colors, they have multiple sizes. In that case, you can use this one. Then we have reports. We have sales report, salesperson report, products and customers. Also, there is a tab called to invoice. So if you click on orders to invoice, all the orders which are yet pending for invoice will be showed into this particular section. So here you can see if I click on create invoice and my invoice is created, this particular order will be removed from this one. So a lot of other features are also available. Okay, before concluding, I want to show you one more feature that is called price list. Now how this price list works in our business, uh, how much quantity or how much units you are procuring or selling basically. So 1 to 100, the price will be different. If you are selling, or if your customer is basically purchasing 200 to 500 unit, the price will be much cheaper. If you are purchasing 1000 plus units, the sales price will be much more cheaper. So in that case, you can create multiple price list. And also, if you want to keep B2B and B2C price list different for the same product, so in that case, you don't need to create multiple products. You just need to create one product, and basis on the price list, you should be system will be deciding if this is a B2B customer or if this is a B2C customer. System will automatically set the price for that. So for B2C customer, the price will be a bit higher. For B2B customer, a price will be a bit on a lower side. If I click on this price list, here you can see this needs to apply on all products. We have an option of category as well. If you want to select any of the product, you can do that. Then we have what's the type of price, if it is a discount, if it is a formula, or if it is a fixed price based on sales price, what's the discount, extra fee round off. Basically all this totally works on the configuration and your business case scenario. So this option is also available. I'm going to create a separate video on how price list help into the business and how to configure those. So that's all for this video. In case if you are having any doubt in sales app, just to let me know. I'll try to solve that. Thank you.